I'm working here. Yo! You got any fruit pies there? I'm freaking starving!
Whoa, did you see that?
I wasn't even nominated.
No, it looks like a pirate ship. I'm gonna get a soda. You want anything?
I don't understand why I can't get tickets.
Do you know what's in those hot dogs?
What's your major?
Yeah, shake it up, baby!
Oh my! Run! I hope the cops get here soon. What's going on? Oh no! I hope the National Guard gets here soon.
Whoa, baby. Time to get your groove on.
Why don't you put on the hat and go up there yourself?
I miss LA, but at least there's like almost no smog here.
Our fathers died to create me, and now you will too.
Gah! I have to dodge those. Ow! I need to dodge faster than that. Listen to me, Eddie. You're smarter than this. This isn't you, it's the suit. I've been behind it. I know what it's doing to you. Let me help you before you do something you're going to regret. I gotta get Eddie off campus before somebody gets hurt. Stop him. That means I have to put him down. Fast. Killing me. It's killing me.
Lie on the ground with your hands over your head. Both of you, on the ground now. The hell is that?
I've been sitting on my tush all day. Time for a little workout. Let's start with some wall crawling. Just a little jump up here. Jump and then jump again. Sure, it breaks the laws of physics, but so do most things I do. It's me, the amazing jumping man. the spectacular leaping dude.
Police have attempted to apprehend the man. Identify.
Web zipping is great for low buildings like these. These buildings are tall enough to web swing off of pretty easily. Ta-da!
You scared me.
You done with my butt?
What am I doing with my life? I have made a serious vocational error somewhere down the line.
I'll go easy on you this time, Herman. I'll only use my webs.
I'll kill ya! I'll kill ya!
I need to web these guys when I knock them down, or they'll just keep getting back up. Okay.
Get away from me, freak.
It's that kind of quality human interaction that makes it all worthwhile. Oh, yippee! I need to get home.
If you don't read the book, how can you comment on it? Oh my! Where are the police when you need them?
Oh no! Somebody called the army!
Oh no!
No! Run away! Get out of here!
Call the cops!
Call the cops!
Call the cops! Somebody help! Somebody call the army! Run!
I've been looking forward to this.
That freaking hurt!
I'm gonna kill this kid. You're gonna die, Brock. Die. Oh, you're gonna pay for that.
That freaking hurt!
screwing around. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do it right. That's more like it! Do something about this. Let's try some of this! No! No! Oh, this is no good.
Stand down! Please.
Peter, come on, kiddo, wake up.
What are you doing here?